Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a stiff steering wheel. First, let's understand why your steering might feel stiff. A steering wheel that is hard to turn can be frustrating and even alarming, impacting your ability to drive safely. It is crucial to address this issue quickly to prevent further complications and ensure your vehicle remains responsive. We will cover common causes and simple solutions you can try at home to restore smooth steering. Several factors can cause your steering wheel to feel stiff. The most common culprit is low power steering fluid, which reduces the hydraulic assistance needed for easy turning. Additionally, underinflated tires, particularly the front ones, can create more resistance. A loose or cracked serpentine belt, which drives the power steering pump, can also lead to a lack of assistance. Lastly, old or dirty power steering fluid can become thick, hindering its ability to lubricate and pressurize the system effectively. To begin, locate your power steering fluid reservoir, usually under the hood, and check the fluid level. If it's low, top it up with the correct type of fluid, as specified in your owner's manual. Next, verify your tire pressure. Most vehicles recommend between 30 and 35 psi. Also, visually inspect your serpentine belt for any signs of wear or damage. If the fluid appears dark or thick, a fluid flush and replacement can significantly improve steering performance. While many issues can be resolved at home, some require professional attention. If your power steering fluid is at the correct level and fresh, but the steering remains stiff, it could indicate a failing power steering pump or a problem with the steering rack. Listen for whining or groaning noises, especially when turning, as these often signal pump trouble. For persistent leaks or unresolved stiffness, a qualified mechanic can accurately diagnose and repair the underlying issue, ensuring your safety on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.